So this is how you operate the Nespresso machine. First of all, you need to make sure there's water in the water tank. You can fill it up by actually just removing it like this and adding water to it. So next, you'll take your cup and insert it here. Then you'll open up the top, put in one capsule, close it down again, and choose either espresso or lungo. Press here. When it blinks, it means that the water is just warming up. So now it's started. And it will fill up your cup. So I'm just gonna wait until it ends. So when you take your cup, if it's not functioning, there might be a few reasons. One can be because this tray here is full of capsules. So when you open this to put in a new capsule, the old capsule will fall down into this tray. So if that one is full, it might not work. So you just take it and empty it in the trash. All right.